Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ankush. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about FRA, Flashback Recovery Area. Some people are also calling it as a fast recovery area. What is this? And why there is a lot of importance to this flashback recovery area? Or in a simple term, I'll call it as a FRA. Let's try to understand. What exactly does it? So before we do any activities on your Oracle database, many times we check whether the FRA is enabled or not. Because FRA is the location which is managed by the Oracle itself. Let's say when you want to take a backup, by default location will be your FRA area. If your FRA is enabled on your Oracle database, your backup will go to the FRA area. Now, since your backup is going to the FRA area and it is managed by the Oracle database, all of your absolute backup, expired backup, you don't need to delete it manually. That will be deleted automatically since it is managed by the Oracle itself. Apart from this, let's say you are doing some recovery. You want to restore your database and you want to recover your database. That time FRA play a really important role. Again, it is really faster also. So because of that only we always try to enable the FRA, and Oracle always recommend that you should always use FRA. So FRA is basically a location. Now location, it can be your normal file system or it can be your ASM file system also. If you are using a RAC database, obviously you will use the ASM. If it is a non-RAC database, it can be ASM or a normal file system also. Both the location you can specify to your FRA. So don't worry about the things like what is FRA. I'm not able to understand whether are you going to show it practically. Yes, everything will be practically because this is my YouTube channel and it is completely real time. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable the FRA and how you can use those FRA. Okay. Before I go to the practical session, again, my request is, if you are looking for real-time database training, you can reach out to me. In next 3 days, I'm going to start my new Oracle DBA batch. And I want you to join with this training, because if you join this training, you will see a lot of good things in your career. Again, if you are not interested for this paid training, again, no problem. You can watch to this YouTube channel. There will be a lot of free content available on my YouTube channel also. So let's get started and we'll see this practically about how to check whether FRA is enabled or how to enable it if it is not enabled. Let's see it practically. So this is my RAC setup where I'm logging to the node 1. Let me connect to the SQL Plus utility and I'm firing the command like show parameter recover. If you fire this command from the node 1 or node 2, you can see that DB recovery file destination is empty. Size is also 0 because my destination has not been set over here. The destination, the path is not set over here. So what I'm going to do, this is my RAC setup. So I have ASM is running, ps-ef grep pmon. If I fire this command, I can see that there is a ASM instance is running. Now let me do one thing. Let me use any ASM disk. If I fire this command Oracle ASM list disk, I can see that there are 3 disks are there. Among them, one is FRA is there, which is already available. Let me do one thing. Let me set my FRA ASM disk FRA, okay, as for the storage purpose. So what I'm going to do, I have these 2 commands are available. Alter system set DB recovery file destination is 20 GB. You need to understand one thing, that whenever you want to enable the FRA, there are 2 things you need to set. One is FRA location. It can be ASM or non-ASM. I already have a disk called plus FRA. So I'm going to set it as a FRA destination. And to this FRA, we need to allocate some space also, like how much FRA log is going to be stored. What is the size? So I'm allocating 20 GB. Let me do one thing. Let me allocate 5 GB only or 8 GB. That is fine. both SID equals to star, it means the changes is going to be happened in both the instances. I have two instances are running over this server. Let me fire this command. I'm going to the node 1, connecting to the SQL Plus utility. Let me fire this command. So I have given a size to the FRA destination. Now let me give the FRA destination also now. The FRA destination will be plus FRA. If I fire show parameter recover command, I can see that my DB destination has been set to the FRA and the size I have given it 8 GB. Let me do one thing. Let me connect to the node 2 also. This is my instance number 2nd. Let me do exit. Let me check what is my environment, whether it is correct or not. If I do Oracle underscore SID, this is RAC 2, which is correct. And I see there is an issue in my bash profile. Fortunately or unfortunately, I was not aware about it. Let me fix that. If you see the Oracle home, there is a double slash is given. It means there is something wrong in my bash profile. You need to understand one thing, that this is not something related to the FRA. But since I got the issue, I am fixing it in front of you. Let me open my bash profile, and if I see here, Oracle base already contained one slash. Let me remove this slash, extra slash. Let me fix it. I need to make a changes to the bash profile. So source bash profile. Let's go. Let me try to connect now. Or before that, let me show you Oracle home. Now I don't see double slash here. Double slash has been removed. Let me connect to the SQL Plus utility. If I fire show parameter recover, I can see that the show parameter file destination is also set and the size is also set. This is what expected. This is how you can enable the FRA in your RAC environment. If you still have any question, queries, anything, please put it into the comment section. And if you think that I'm doing a great job, then you can join my training, or you can just join my training, guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye.